Welcome to my kitchen and my channel. Today I will be sharing with you using ready-made phyllo dough for baklava. The recipe for crispy potato börek. For my filling, I peeled and washed 8 to 9 small potatoes. And I'm chopping them randomly. Let's boil them this way. You can also boil them whole, then grate or mash them. I put water over them and am boiling them. In the meantime, I will add. I finely chopped 1 onion, put it in a pan, and added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And I'm sautéing my onion. Once it's slightly pink, I removed it from the heat. I'm draining the water from the potatoes after they've boiled. I'm mashing them with a masher. Then I'm adding the sautéed onion that I prepared earlier. I'm adding salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and paprika. I'm mixing it well. I added about 100 grams of butter to a pan and am melting it. Then I'm adding 1 teacup of oil. Next, I'm opening a pack of ready-made phyllo dough for baklava. I will use 5 sheets. I'm rolling up the rest because ready-made phyllo dough for baklava dries out very easily when left open. So you need to work quickly. From the oil and butter mixture I prepared earlier. As you can see, I'm spreading it over the dough and laying 2 sheets on top. I'm oiling it again. I'm laying the 3rd sheet on top as well. As you can see, I layered 5 sheets on top of each other, oiling between each one. I'm oiling the top of the last sheet again. From the filling I prepared earlier. As you can see, I'm spreading small pinches all over. Then I'm rolling it into a log. Don't roll it too tightly. You can cut it into any size you desire. I'm cutting it into 4-finger width pieces like this. Then I will place them in a single layer in a container. I've prepared all my böreks. As you can see, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water to the top of each slice. I'm letting it sit like this for half an hour. Then I'm arranging my böreks on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I'm brushing egg yolk over them. I'm sprinkling sesame seeds. If you wish, you can also sprinkle nigella seeds. I'm baking them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until golden brown. As you can see, my böreks are ready to serve. I hope you try them and like them too. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by pressing the bell. Thank you for watching.